On deck, you scabrous dogs! Hands to braces! Let go and hold to run free!
Now, bring me that horizon.
Hey friends, I'm going to show you how to build this awesome Lego pirate ship. Let's get started. All right, friends, here's the cool pirate ship I ended up with. It's got cannons, a nicely done cabin, a pirate flag, and a sail. On the stand, there's a treasure chest with jewels and precious stones. Also, I recommend checking out the video where I build this Titanic. If you like the video and the ship, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Wishing you all good luck and see you soon.